Dr. Zach Kadoff here with Select Chiropractic. Today we're going to go over just some easy core strengthening exercises that you can do with some exercise balls. So if you got an exercise ball at home, this is really super easy stuff to do. Over time, obviously, it's going to get easier, so just keep at this and you can add that to your little routine. So one of the exercises that we're going to do today is the tabletop exercise. You'll need some room out in front of you because you're going to walk your legs out, and we're basically going to end up like a tabletop here, and that's going to help engage the low back. We're going to engage the buttocks, the hamstrings, the quads, the hip flexors, and the abs, all of the above. So it's an all around exercise here. So all we're going to do is just going to walk straight out. You're going to try and get your body as parallel to the floor as possible, and then you can just hold that in place. So you can sit there and you can hold that, or you can do multiple repetitions. Try and keep your butt up, and as that starts to sag, maybe roll back up, relax for a minute, and then work your way back down. Over time, that's really going to help stabilize this core, keep that low back happy for all of you desk sitters out there. Got any questions? Hit us up at the office, call us, email us, hit us up at selectchiro.com. Thanks.